Want to take your TikTok videos to the absolute next level? Then check out these fabulous TikTok video templates for Final Cut Pro. You can download all of the feature templates from Envato Elements, which offers one of the widest selection of video templates on the internet today. Download as much as you want, as often as you want, for one low cost. You can find all of the links down in the description. Wow your followers by using this dynamic slideshow to showcase your adventures, promos, or anything else you can think of. This template is easy to use. Just drag and drop your own images and make any edits you want in Final Cut Pro. If you want to add text to your TikTok video, then you need to check out this fabulous template. Add as much or as little text as you need and control the duration of each effect to match the rhythms of your video. Beauty and fashion aficionados will love this awesome Final Cut Pro template. The cool transitions, awesome colors, and trendy graphics will give your videos instant style. Looking for an edgier TikTok video template to show off your content? Check out these fast-moving glitch effects that will be sure to catch your viewers' attention. Text and video tutorials are included to help you out with the customization. And we have saved the best for last. This really is the ultimate transitions pack. It offers over 200 amazing transitions in 21 different categories. Just drag and drop them right into your video to create professional effects in no time. Did you enjoy this super quick roundup of 5 of the top TikTok templates for Final Cut Pro? All of the Final Cut Pro TikTok templates we've used today are available from Envato Elements. Just click the links down in the description to download them. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for even more roundups and training videos.